How to add an Instagram highlight without posting it publicly. In today's video, I'll show you how to add an Instagram highlight without keeping your story public. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and tap the plus icon on your profile picture. Select the photo or video you want to add, then share it to your story. As soon as the story finishes uploading, open it. Tap the three-dot menu in the bottom right corner and select Archive. This removes the story from public view while keeping it saved in your story archive. Next, go back to your profile, tap the menu icon in the top right corner and select Archive. Find the story you just archived and open it, then tap Highlight at the bottom. Now, choose an existing highlight or create a new one. The highlight will appear on your profile, even though the story is no longer visible to your regular audience. If you don't see the archived story, make sure Story Archive is enabled in Instagram. In some cases, updating or reinstalling the Instagram app may also help if the archive isn't displaying correctly. That's it. You've successfully added an Instagram highlight without leaving your story publicly visible. If you found this tutorial helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.